Hello guys, welcome back to Elegant Arrangements with Amanda. Guys, today I am going to create a back to school basket. Okay, I'm gonna have a little fun creating this here. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is show you this basket that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I just took some twig, some rope, and I just inserted it on the inside of the basket and made a little bow here. So I thought that was really cute to kind of give it a farmhousey kind of feel, a touch to it. Okay. And also before we get started, guys, I just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I really and truly appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of my new subscribers. I'm happy that you're here with the family. And so sit back and relax and enjoy this video. Alright, so I am going to add in, I had this left over from Valentine's Day when I made my daughter a basket. Check it out. Check that video out. Alright, so I am going to, and this is such a cute tissue paper. So I'm going to add my pink in first. Okay. And actually, my eldest daughter bought this for my youngest daughter. I thought this was really cute. So I am going to take this off. I'm going to take the lunch. What is this? A lunch box attached to the book bag? I thought that was really cute, guys. So I'm going to take this off. And I'm going to add this in the back of the book bag for support so it can sit upright. I'm going to sit it here in the back, if you can see that. And then I'm going to add the book bag. And see how it sits up? So it helps kind of support it, keep it from falling out the basket. Okay. And this little thing will not stay up for anything in the world. So we'll leave it just like that. Alright guys, so next I am going to add in another piece of tissue paper. Alright. And pretty much all of my items here, just about all of them I got from the Dollar Tree. I got these cute little notebooks from the Dollar Tree. I thought these were really cute with the little kittens on there. And it also has a vendor pouch with the kittens. I thought that was really cute. And then we have this. And this is a pocket folder, basically. I thought that was really cute as well with the plaid colors. Have erasers. I didn't get a lot of stuff for this video, guys. I actually couldn't add everything into this basket. So I just kind of took some things that I thought, you know, some things that I wanted to add into the basket. But she has so much other stuff. But this is just some of the things you can add to your niece or your nephew basket. Right, put that there. We want this to show, right? So let's set it up like that. And guys, I have some mechanical pencils that I also got at the Dollar Tree. I thought these was really cute. There. Okay. I have scissors. And I have markers. I have, what is this, a bookmark? With your books. Stick that up like that. And I have crackers, right? For snacks. Child is hungry in school, just put this in a book bag and then it'll kind of curb that appetite for them. Okay, I also have some glue here that I'm gonna add. Alright, so I got this from the Dollar Tree a while ago, and I thought it was pretty cute just to add to the basket as well. But instead of adding it to the front, I'm going to leave the front kind of simple with the twig, with the bow twig, and I'm going to add this to the back. So I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to sit it under the rope. Okay, so I thought that was pretty cool as well. Just being a little creative, guys, you know. Being creative, you can do what you want to do. You can decorate things how you want to decorate it, right? Alright, and last but not least, my friends, you guys know I like shredded paper. It just adds a little extra decorative feel, touch to your baskets. Okay, and you just take that and put it on there how you like. And I'll add this around to the table for the photo. Alright, and that is it, my friends. That is it. This is my back to school gift basket. Like I said before, guys, you can make this for your little ones and your family or for a friend. Somebody who have kids, if you don't have any or whatever. Somebody who needs help. You just make them a cute little basket or whatever, and it'll brighten their day. It'll really lift someone's spirit to help somebody out. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry, I'm a little tired. I'm on some medication right now, so I'm a little tired. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys come back for more, and you guys take care. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, fam. See you.